Hey YouTube, it's Enny the Not Trader. I'm back again with another video for my pick of the week. Alright, so this week I'm going to recap my last week's pick of the week. So far I've got two trades running, AMAT, which was my pick of the week last week, and BSTI. I entered this one as well, which was my second favourite one from last week, and I thought why not just enter them both. They're both sitting up about £21 respectively each. But let's go to AMAT first. As you can see here, yeah, so if you remember last week I entered 250p trades. I exited one of those because I lost my nerve, I'm not going to lie. As you can see here, it was going up, it was following, and then it started going down. And it started trending down. Both the MACD and the RSI was facing downwards, and I kind of lost a bit of my nerve. So let this be a lesson to you guys. Just hold your position if you believe in your trade, and let it hit your stop loss if you believe it's going to hit your stop loss. If you've got a strategy, just see it out, because I would have been up maybe double that right now if I'd held my position in both trades. But I exited one of them, but the other one I'm still in. So I made a loss of about £50, but hopefully I can make it back plus some if it hits my support. So right now it's not, I'm not in the best situation, but it's a learning lesson, isn't it? And BSTI, I thought I'd enter this one because it was looking really good, looking like a snack. You get me? Yeah, I reckon it will still hit 48 quid, which is nothing special, but I'm trying to learn from my mistake last time. As you can see here, it looks like it's trending downwards on the MACD, the RSI, and the price action. So it'll probably go down for come Monday, but by the end of the week I reckon it'll go up. And I can see it hitting the support in about, let me use the ruler tool, in about, let's say, 6 days, so maybe a week's time. Up 47 points, so 4%, which is good. So yeah. Anyway, on to my pick of the week this week. This week, there's not really a short list. I haven't really seen many trades that I've kind of like the look of. Hopefully that will change. But right now, Square is the only one that's really standing out to me as a pick that I reckon will go up. It's quite a reserved pick. It's a buy on the daily, and it's upward trending with making high highs. So this is, let me show the stop losses. Let's look at Square for a second. Let's look at Square. So Square, as you can see, it's let's look at a daily chart. Square's been trending upwards on the daily chart. Let me plot some lines here so we can get a better indication of how it's moving. Let's get this a bit bigger. Come on, show me more. Alright, now. Okay, yeah, so this is all of it. It's not been on the stock exchange for long, so yeah. Right away, it's been following a specific pattern, and I'll show it to you. Really, it's really interesting actually. There's two resistance lines if you want to go real granular. So this is what Square's been doing for a while. What it does is that, if I could get this. Okay, I see what I've done wrong. I'm on the June one. I need to be on the DF. I need to be on the DFB one. My mistake. Alright, here we go. That's better. Alright, so I'll see these lines are plotted already. Now, so Square, what it does is that it's quite interesting. If you look at the daily charts, it hits a it's got two resistance. So it will hit the high resistance, come down, hit the low resistance. Hit the high resistance, come down, hit the low resistance. So I'm pegging this to hit the high resistance again. So that's why, and it's already broken the resistance line for the low resistance. So right now, I'll wait for it to show that it was upward trending on the high resistance. And look at this, the RSI is trending upwards, the MACD is trending upwards. So I wanna, no, not delete from this. So if what's all this? There's too much stuff in there. Okay, here we go. So now I think that it's going to hit this high resistance again. So I want to enter this trade. Hopefully it will dip down a little bit. I'm hoping that it'll dip down a little bit. And if it does, I reckon I can enter this trade at around, let's say 5760. Actually, let's stay reserved. Let's sit at 5800. So we can enter stage at 5800. Hopefully it'll dip down a little bit, and then we can exit at about. So get the ruler tool. I love this ruler tool because it's really useful. I want to make another video about it, but I really love it. It tells you so much. So straight away, I reckon it'll exit about here. So which is up 509 points, and so I'm going to put a support at about. Let's say I put the support about 5650. And I'm going to put the limit at 6400. I'm 85% sure with the confidence. I'm going to buy it up at 5800. And the risk to reward is, wow, look at that risk to reward. Can you see that? That's really good. So the risk to reward is 4, which is really high, which is really good. And you know, risk to reward and confidence probability are the two indicators that I look at the most. If I'm quite confident that's going to go up based on previous action. I'm quite confident it's going to go up based on previous action and previous price movement, and the risk to reward is 4, which is really good. So I'm definitely going to enter this trade. And as you can see from this ruler tool here, it's gonna, in about maybe 2 weeks, it should go up about 500 points, which is pretty good. So yeah, I'm gonna enter a trade to come market open on Monday. So well, no, Square is my pick of the week because it's showing upward momentum and it's broken its first resistance. I'm still in AMAT and I'm still in BEST, and they're both actively trending upwards. And I'll give you a midweek update on these on the ones I'm currently holding, and then the Square as well. But as you know, I'm not going to be taking new positions on new stocks every week because I don't like to hold more than 2 or 3 stocks at a time. So I'll continue with my pick of the week, but I may not actually buy or enter the trades that I pick for each week. And I'm going to keep a rota. So come next week, I will have the stats from my previous picks of the weeks and my current ones, so that I can show what the P&L would have been for each pick of the week if I'd entered and exited where I decided to. So hopefully we can get create a little graph chart just to show how successful or unsuccessful my picks of the weeks have been over a prolonged period of time. So yeah, so this is Any, Noct Trader, aka the Nocturnal Trader, signing out. See ya.